Ready to turn your screen into cash? In today's video, I'm revealing a trusted and tested website where you can actually get paid for watching videos.
All right.
I've tried this website myself. I made about $74 watching videos and doing other simple tasks. If I had a free schedule, I would have made more than that. So, this website is tested and trusted.
Let's go.
Lovelies, it's not just me. There are other people all over the world also earning money from this platform. Just take a look at their comments. So I beg you to take this seriously. I will show you 4 simple steps you can take to start earning withdrawable money on this website. But before that, I would like to welcome you to WellPost TV channel, where we discuss all things finances, entrepreneurship, side hustles, how to make money online, and how to stay financially independent. If today is your first time seeing my face, my name is Tina. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of our updates. Like this video, share with your family and friends. And to my returning subscribers, I do not take your support and love for granted. Thank you for always returning. Do not forget to share this video with your family and friends. Step 1. Click the link in the pinned comment section and register a free account. Make sure to enter a valid details, and the email address should be your registered PayPal email in case you would like to withdraw to your PayPal account. And to those of the viewers that will always ask how should they withdraw their money in situations like watching videos and earning money online, PayPal is generally more accessible. Although they have other withdrawal options like Amazon gift cards, Payoneers, but if you have a PayPal account, I would suggest you use your PayPal email to register this account. Step 2. Head over to the menu and click on Play. There you will see different money-making options. Start them one after the other. Step 3. Head over to the menu again and click on the offers. There you will see different offers to increase your income on this website. You can increase your income more by going to the survey part. Availability of the surveys depends on your location. And another cool way to make money on this website is to share with others. You could share with your families, you could share with your friends, since it's a free website. Number 4, to withdraw your earnings. Head over to the menu and click on Cash Out. Then choose how you want to receive your money. Please note that if you are cashing out to PayPal, you must make sure you registered with the same email on your PayPal account. Do not register with a different email and have different email on your PayPal account. That's not going to work. So make sure while you're registering this account, the email you use in registering this account is the same email you have on your PayPal account, okay? Because you can use different email for withdrawal and registration. All right, my lovelies, take action right away and start making money from this website. The name of the website is WiseSense. WiseSense. www.wisesense.com. Register with the link as provided in the pinned comment section and start earning. I can't wait to see you win. And if you have any questions about the account registration, if you have questions about watching the videos or taking the surveys or cashing out your earnings, put it in the comment section. So let me know, okay? Finally, lovelies, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and do not forget to turn on the bell notification. I'll see you in my next video.